Hey there everyone! Today I'm going to show you another way of how to carry your yarn alongside a shawl project. So I'm going to show you one of the classic ways of carrying the yarn up along the side, which is just exactly that. We are just carrying the yarn up along the side. You can see our yarn strand here. But with this project, it made sense since I was using minis and a main color, right? I didn't want to cut the gray yarn because I was just using one skein and I didn't want to buy another one. Which of course, carrying your yarn along the side is a great way to save on yardage, especially instead of just cutting, snipping, and who likes weaving in ends? So for this one, you can kind of get a look at this, and your first assumption is she's just crocheting with both colors along the side, and that is exactly it. I am chaining with both the yarns along the side instead of carrying it, since it's a multiple stripe project. I didn't want the obvious carried yarn. This part would mostly be worn around my neck, so I didn't want to do a border around there, especially with how I was blocking it. This is where all the shaping is, the increases. I didn't want a border around here, but I still wanted a clean look. So for this, I'm at the end of row here. I have one last stitch to crochet in, and that's our chain 3. So for this project, there's a double crochet row and then a single crochet row. So I'm doing the single crochet row right now. So when I work my last stitch, I'm going to finish with both colors. So I'm yarning over, pulling through with my orange yarn, and to finish the single crochet, I am using both colors. So I have both colors ready to go, and I'm finishing my single crochet with both colors on my hook. So you can see I have both colors on my hook, and I'm still both colors wrapped around my finger. I will be doing a chain 3. So for the first 2 chains, I will be using both colors. So I'm chaining 2 with both colors. And now my next row is green. So I'm going to drop the orange yarn and just be using the green, and finishing this chain 3 with one more chain. Now when you pull through the orange loop, you're locking the orange yarn. You can tighten it along the side, but not too much. But this lets it to where it's locked in, so it's not going to go anywhere. And now you can carry on and do your row. So I have an increase in the first stitch. And just to test for you to see, the orange yarn is locked in. And that's how you can carry both yarn along the side instead of snipping, cutting, or having a strand of yarn on your work. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, just give it a like. Thank you.